Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino, for my post-market wrap-up for this incredible day, Thursday, November 30th, 2017. All right, let's start off with the stock market right now before I talk about the bond market. I have a whole bunch of things I want to cover with you. Stock market today, there's almost no words for this. A rally of truly epic proportions. It's not going to stop, like I've been explaining to you every single day now for, I don't know how, I can't even remember when I started this. It's just the way it is. It's an incredible melt-up scenario. I want to talk about the Santa Claus rally that I believe is coming as well here, so we can capitalize on that. You know, just let me say this before I move forward. Earlier today, I mentioned, like, I called myself the Robin Hood of Wall Street. Well, today my email box, boom! It just lit up like a Christmas tree. It seems like a lot of you really like that. You know what? I like it too. So I will be the Robin Hood of Wall Street here. And I really hope I am going to live up to that. I am trying very hard, and I think I'm doing a really good job to outline everything for you. And show you where the opportunities are and how you can capitalize on this. This is not just a game for the Wall Street people. I'm a Wall Street person, and I want to turn all of you into some type of, I don't know, a capitalist, or however you want to look at yourself, because you're not going to be fleeced on my watch. You will not be fleeced on my watch. It's just not going to happen. I refuse to let that happen. All right, with that whole thing out of the way, unbelievable rally today in the stock market. Not saying the market's not going to pull back tomorrow. I don't know what it's going to do tomorrow. But again, as I have been saying, the trend is up. Now, let's touch on the bond market real quick. If you were watching this on my website, traderschoice.net, like I do every single day, I have it right here. Bonds sold off today. At the end of the day, they started buying. Now, let me ask you, who would be buying bonds here? Let's ponder this for a moment, you and me. Let's, come closer. Come in. Yeah. Let's talk about this a little quietly so, not everyone hears us, just you and me. Who would be buying bonds in this environment of maximum risk? Exactly. No one would do that unless you are insane. Unless you are looking to lose money or whatever. It just won't happen. So we know who's doing this. You can sit back now. All right, so here's the deal. The bond market, they are going to keep it stable. The market knows that, and that's a big part of what we saw today. This whole tax thing is already priced into the market. So is a rate hike next month, which I still strongly believe is happening next month. Okay. So we got the stock market out of the way. You know what's going on there. We got the bond market out of the way. They are going to keep it. They're going to stabilize the bond market. Stock market. I think the stock market now could completely ignore the bond market because that's what's going to happen, and we're going to march right into a Santa Claus rally. What is a Santa Claus rally? Well, generally, typically, a Santa Claus rally occurs at the end of December. Why does it occur? Well, all these corporations, they start buying stocks. Why do they do this? Well, they want to increase their bottom line so the big wigs upstairs can have a fatter bonus. So we can count on that happening as well. And you and I, fine. If they want to give us this, they're giving us, we know their playbook, they're giving us this gift, we're frankly going to take as well. That's what we're going to do. The stock market for you and me is an ATM. That's all it is. And we're going to trade an index, as I have been covering for you, to the point of vomiting. Okay. Now, I want to address a few other things here. Let's talk about gold and silver, for which I despise talking about now because the price action is not real. There is no price discovery mechanism whatsoever. The dollar fell today and they punished gold and silver. A lot of people out here are getting very, very, very bearish on gold and silver. And this is what they want, of course. It doesn't make any sense to you, and I hope it doesn't, with the dollar being down, being that gold and silver are priced in dollars, that they're down as well. Okay. The fact of the matter is there are so many bears right now with regard to even stackers. People write to me every day. are getting very bearish here. In a real market, that type of sentiment would tell me it's the time to start buying. But in this fake environment, I mean, Wikipedia has a page dedicated to the rigging, London Gold Fix. It's insane. I mean, it's so in our face, and they're laughing at us. You and I, investors, are being harmed. There's no doubt about it. I still believe it's going. There's going to be a moment here of realization when everything, prices to fair value. When, I don't know. I don't freaking care. You know that. All I want to do is take advantage of it. You and me. That's it. Let me say something else here with regard to Bitcoin. A lot of you wrote to me about that too. Greg, your timing on Bitcoin is a little bit too good. I don't have any inside information on a damn thing. That's the truth here. Why did I choose to dump Bitcoin when I did? It's very simple. I explained this to you. I explained it to you why when I sold it. It's the euphoria. It's just the opposite of what's happening here with metals. When you get any kind of like this hyper euphoria going on, that means you're at a short-term top in any asset. It could be Bitcoin, it could be blank coin, it could be whatever the hell you want to call it. Doesn't matter. The sentiment plus my profit in there is what prompted me to sell it. Now, some of you think in the video that I did earlier today that I said I was buying it, people wrote to me today about that. I did not buy Bitcoin today. I did not say I was buying Bitcoin today. Please pay attention to my videos. I said I am watching Bitcoin here. There's going to be a time, beyond any doubt, that I get back in here. I don't know when, maybe next week. I'm going to watch it, and when I do, that day or that moment, whenever I do a video, I will tell you. But I did not buy Bitcoin today. So I know a couple of you, I can't even understand it. You wrote to me, "Oh, Greg, you bought Bitcoin today." I did not buy Bitcoin today. Where did you find that out? I did not say that. Okay, so I covered the stock market. You know what to do there. Could not be more simple. I covered the bond market. They're gonna prop it up. The market knows it. The market's ignoring it. It's almost a non-event here anymore. And again, when we were talking before, you remember when we got close like this? Well, you can see that no investor in their right mind would be buying a bond here when they can take that same amount of cash that they're investing in a bond and put it into, let's say, an option on an index and quadruple their money in a short period of time. You understand? It's not going to happen, so we know who's doing it. Bitcoin, I covered that. Gold and silver, I covered that. I think I summed up this entire thing for you as clear as I possibly can, and I'm going to continue to work for all of you, as I have been, and live up to my new title of the Robin Hood of Wall Street. That's it. I love it. I love it. I love all of you, and I will see all of you in the morning, and we're going to have even more fun with tomorrow morning's video. Anyway, I'll see you in the morning.